The terracotta roofs begin to glow. The Mediterranean sun is sinking slow. A distant bell rings through the quiet square. The scent of lemon blossom fills the air. Old wooden boats return to Amalfi shore, just like they have 1,000 times before. The fishermen are resting in the shade, enjoying every moment they have made. Oh, the sea is a mirror of gold tonight, under the fading Mediterranean light. Pour the red wine, let the old songs play, washing the cares of the world away. A gentle breeze comes off the salty deep. The cobblestone alleys are going to sleep. A single lantern flickers by the bay, chasing the shadows of the dusk away. Oh, the sea is a mirror of gold tonight, under the fading Mediterranean light. Pour the red wine, let the old songs play, washing the cares of the world away. Time moves differently upon this coast. A quiet peace is what we love the most. No need to rush, no need to run so fast. Just let this beautiful evening last. A mirror of gold tonight,